I'm going to demonstrate a couple of functions on a PC238 with an R6 Rototilt installed. This part of the Rototilt is the pin grabber coupler. This part is the continuous rotation in either direction. You obviously have your tilt cylinders right and left, and this will be another auxiliary function for any type of grapple or camper that you would like to put on. Features of the Rototilt include two multifunctional handle controls. There are actually 4 sliders to give you 4 sets of proportional controls, as well as additional electric buttons for power up, horn, or any other function. The monitor here comes standard with the unit, and we will discuss some of the features, including the pulse function and the return to dig. I'm going to demonstrate the pulse function. Notice that the pulse function is highlighted on the screen, and in 1 second we'll show you what that does. You notice I have set this to the save position, and if you look here, it has the angle and the rotation. We have set this up to return to an approximate center of digging, but I can set this return to dig to be any angle or any rotation that I would like. The installation of the Rototilt requires 1 set of auxiliary hydraulics and an electrical connector. Notice how clean the installation is. Most of our customers report saving 1 man on the ground and 30% more productivity, as well as track life saving, because they're not moving the machine that often. If you have any questions, feel free to call me, Mike Chasin, 845-389-1605.